My name is Kennedy. I run Nightlife Art. On this channel I'll be creating a bunch of different videos and tutorials on to help you guys learn Photoshop, different drawing techniques, as well as many other things to come. When I first learned Photoshop, I was in my undergrad years in college getting my bachelor's in fine arts. I took a class in 3D drawing, and I kind of struggled a lot with learning different techniques. There's like so many tools that I had to get a grasp of, so I just wanted to create these videos and try to help you guys help yourself. Alright, so let's get into it. I grabbed this photo just from Google. Something right now that's happening, if you watch NASCAR, is the Lasso NASCAR racing. It's been trending a lot on TikTok right now. So I think it's kind of funny, just this picture alone has been just trending on the Chevy NASCAR in front of all the other supercars. So I thought today we could learn the magnetic lasso tool. So the magnetic lasso tool is really interesting. You can take a certain piece of an image, say this car for instance. You could take this car, you could take it out of the image or take the background out of the image. So you could either keep your foreground or your background. So today, that's what I'm going to be doing. I'll be using the magnetic lasso tool to select the car and kind of erase it from the photo. And there's in here, in your magnetic lasso tool, you have your lasso tool, and then you have your polygonal lasso tool, and then you have your magnetic. I like the magnetic the best because it just like goes around it nicely, which I really enjoy. So for your keys, it'll be different if you have a Mac, but I'm using Windows. So for Windows, I'm going to press the Alt button on my keyboard and then scroll up on my mouse to zoom in, just as best I can around the image. I'm also using a Wacom tablet, just because I find it's easier with a pen rather than over your mouse, but either way, it'll work. It will still connect nicely. So you just start from one singular point and go around. It's kind of nice too because you don't have to constantly click. It kind of just goes around it smoothly. Sometimes it won't catch little things like that. And then when you select, you're just going to connect it back to your starting position, and I just deselected it. Okay, cool. There we go. So now your car is selected. I'm just going to right click on my mouse, and I'm going to go down and go on to fill. And then content right here. I like to do content aware. You can do your foreground color or background color if it's a solid color. But for now, I'm going to go with content aware. Sometimes this doesn't always go out exactly, like this. Simple fix, I would just use my stamp tool. So I'm just going to click my Alt and scroll out. And there you have it. The card is now gone. On to the next. I have my file. And then we'll just do the same thing here. We'll just grab our magnetic lasso tool, find a good starting point. I'm going to take my move tool. I'm going to drop this image in here. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is edit. Good job. Okay. Alright, and so because our Lightning McQueen is a whole lot bigger than what we want him to be, we're going to use our transform tool. So it'll be different on Mac because I'm using Windows. I'm going to press Control T, and you can free transform it, change the size, and then on Mac it will just be Command T. Alright, so let's see, where do we want him? Right about, I think, here. Make him a little smaller. There we go. Alright, and there you have it. We now have Lightning McQueen leading. Alright, now we have Lightning McQueen leading the Laz lab right here. Alright, Alright guys, so thanks for watching my first YouTube video on some different Photoshop techniques. I'll be posting more videos on different tools used in Photoshop, so if you like a specific tool that you want to know more about, please comment below and tell me what kind of tool, and we'll definitely do that. You know, if you want to see more videos like this, like, follow, subscribe. You can find my other channels down below, my Discord, Twitch, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, you name it. I would like to do a giveaway for every 1,000 followers or so. I think that would be really unique and fun to do. I definitely want to give back to my audience. I did want to just hop on like real quick to kind of give a comment to my community. So with that being said, here at Nightlife Art, we are looking to build a community where people enjoy the fine arts and they like creating art. People who like an inclusive kind of feeling. Also people who would like to share their talents. It's always a fun thing to do, especially on Twitch. I also do NFTs. So what I would like to do in the near future is host events. So if you would buy an NFT from a collection, we would host like different events in public. Like I've done a Manic Sea Turtles collection so far where I want to get people together and kind of clean up beaches for the sea turtles. So yeah, like different stuff like that, you know, is what I'm always looking for. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.